beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and we are finally diving into the MAC holiday collection. MAC makes the holiday collection that I probably most look forward to every year. This year, the holiday collection is called Starring You. It's all star themed. It's very sparkly, very glitzy. I did end up purchasing quite a few items from the holiday collection, so I'm gonna break it up into two videos because I really want to focus in on this particular item. This is the Taste of Stardom mini lipstick kit. This will be my third year reviewing this MAC mini lipstick kit. I have previously done these little lip swatch and compare videos with the last two holiday collections. So this big rose gold box is from the Snowball collection. That was my favorite MAC holiday collection ever. And then the pink box is from the Pretty Shiny Things collection from 2018, so last year. I am going to be comparing this year's mini lipstick kit to the past 2 years just to see if they're the same size, which shades there are overlap with. First, let's just run down a few of the details. The Taste of Stardom mini lipstick kit is currently available. I purchased mine from Ulta. It is available from MAC Cosmetics, of course, and some of their other retailers. This is priced at $74.50 US, so pretty pricey. I think it's the most expensive item in their holiday collection. Today, we're gonna find out if it's worth that price tag or not. This year, the lipstick kit is quite a bit different from the past 2 years in a few ways. First of all, very noticeably, the outer packaging is quite different. The last 2 years, there was a hard outer box and it was very much a display piece. This year, they've gone with a fabric outer case. This is soft and pliable. It really is like a makeup bag. There's no hard outer case to it. The flap does have a magnetic closure. This year, the little tray slides all the way out, so this bag could be used for something else. I feel like this would be a good travel bag for like hair tools or something. There's no spine, there's no hard sides, there's no cardboard in here. This is a completely flexible, separate little makeup bag. If you look really closely, the MAC nameplate here is a rose gold, and then the fabric is glittery, so it has a velvety feel on these black stripes. And then the background is this glittery rose gold. Very pretty, matches my nails very well. Then this tray that slides out, it does hold all the lipsticks in place, but it is just a plastic. It's a black plastic. Opposed to past years where this tray that holds lipsticks is fixed inside. So this box just serves to hold the lipsticks. So I'm not really 100% sure how I feel about this. When I first saw photos of it online, I just thought it looked kind of cheapy, but now that I'm holding it in my hands, I think this is actually a really great idea because this bag can serve another purpose. I'm not super crazy about this black plastic tray, but it does make sense to make the makeup bag usable. I'm glad that the packaging budget went to the bullets. Look how pretty these are. They all have coordinating little glitter lids. These are absolutely stunning in person. I love the packaging on the lipsticks themselves. So I do feel like that kind of makes up for any misgivings I had about not getting that really luxe display box. When you look at the past year's minis, they were these pretty color coordinated metallic bullets. So this year we're getting the exact same size in the mini, but just I love the glitter finish. I cannot get over it. I just think it's so festive, so pretty. The more I look at this, the more I like it. Just for your reference, the little lipsticks themselves, the actual product, is the exact same size as past years. And I know this little guy looks tiny, but there is a decent amount of lipstick in here. Okay, let's get to the lip swatches. We have 12 shades in this Taste of Stardom kit. So I'm gonna show you lip swatches of each one, and then I'll just tell you what the name is, if it's a permanent shade, if it's a new shade, if it's been in any of the other kits. We'll go through all that info during the lip swatches. First up, we have Official Star. This is a pink champagne in a metallic finish, and this is exclusive to this kit. Next we have Kinda Sexy, which is a neutral pinky rose in a matte finish. This is part of MAC's permanent lipstick line, but it has not been featured in either of the past 2 years' holiday kits. This is CB96. It's a bright pinky orange with pearl and a frost finish. And this is part of MAC's permanent lipstick line. Then we have Sea Sheer, a grapefruit pink and a luster finish. This is permanent to MAC's line, and it was also featured as a mini in the 2018 Pretty Shiny Things mini lipstick kit. This is Chili, a brownish orangey red and a matte finish. Another one that is both permanent and was a part of last year's Pretty Shiny Things kit. Next up is everybody's favorite girl, Ruby Woo, a very vivid matte blue-red in a retro matte finish. This is permanent. It's been in the past 2 years kit, so 2017 and 2018, and it will probably be in every single holiday kit from now until forever. Next, another matte. This is All Fired Up. It's a bright fuchsia, and this is part of MAC's permanent lipstick collection. Another cult classic MAC shade. This is Candy Yum Yum, a matte lipstick and a bright neon pink. Then we have Nouvelle Vogue. This is a matte lipstick in a neutral pink, and this was featured in the Nutcracker Sweet holiday collection from 2016. So this is a re-promote, but it hasn't been featured in the past 2 years mini lipstick collections. The next two shades are exclusive to this kit. First, Extra Stars Please. This is a frost finish in a dirty mauve shade. And then Lost in the Stars is a sparkly reddish purple with pink reflex, and this is a dazzle finish lipstick, very glittery. Last but not least, Diva, another favorite. This is an intense reddish burgundy in a matte finish. This is permanent. It has been in the past 2 years collections, minis as well. Another one that will probably be featured in many, many holiday collections to come. Now I want to show you a swatch on my arm of all 12 of these shades side by side, just so that you can really see what they look like next to one another. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to tell when you're seeing one lip swatch and then the next. So here are all 12 shades from this kit swatched together on my arm. I feel like I say this every year, but this is such a good gift. I know that the mini lipstick kits are some of the most coveted items from every year's holiday release for MAC. I think anybody would be excited to receive this as a gift, particularly makeup lovers, but they really did a good job of choosing shades that are gonna appeal to a wide variety of styles. I love the packaging on the lipstick bullets themselves. These little glittery caps are so pretty, so fun and festive. Definitely something that I would want to tuck into my purse, especially when you're going out to holiday parties, cocktail parties. You have one of those little teeny tiny impossibly small bags. These mini lipsticks are really perfect for those occasions. I wanted to interject this part a little bit here with a different lip color on. I think something that's very special about this kit is the fact that there are a handful of exclusive shades that you can only find in this kit. The past 2 years have not featured any exclusive shades. So not only are we seeing this re-promote the Nouvelle Vogue shade, which we've seen before but not in a few years and is not part of the permanent line, we are getting 3 exclusive shades that are just for this holiday collection in this kit, at least so far. We may see them again in the future in another holiday collection. At first I wasn't really excited about these 3 shades because they are of the frosty, metallic, glittery variety, which aren't really finishes that I gravitate to in particular. But the smart thing about these 3 shades is that they pair really well with the permanent shades that are also included in this kit. For example, I'm wearing Diva with the exclusive shade called Lost in the Stars on top, and it just adds so much dimension. It makes it feel a little bit more special, a little bit more festive. So even though I wasn't really sold on these new shades at first, as I've played with them and paired them, kind of layered them up with the other shades in this kit, I've just grown to appreciate them more, and I do think this is a really standout part of this particular kit. Okay, now back to not Vampy Lip Amanda. Overall, I always like these little kits and this year is no different, but I want to hear what you think. Are you excited about this kit? How are you feeling about the MAC holiday collection overall? Which pieces are you most excited about? Make sure you stay tuned to see the other things that I picked up from the collection. I am wearing a little bit of something right now, so I'll show you all of that in an upcoming video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. What? Oh, excuse me. Wow. Look at me with a smoky look. Okay, back to what we were talking about. The magnetic flap is magnetic. Wow, profound. But it makes sense because whew, that's orange. That is a frosty orange. Oh, it actually looks good on camera though. It's orange. Good thing I own like 8 million lip oils because, okay, what was that face? Prepare yourself because it's candy yum yum time and it's about to get real Barbie real quick. Told ya. It's a specific taste, this color. It's not specifically my taste, but it's a very specific taste. Woohoo! Chili, chili. Chili, chili, chili. Crushing it. Is it Halloween? Is this my Joker costume? That wasn't even funny. Why did I say that? Oh, smeared lipstick. LOL. Good old Ruby. Ruby woo. Look, it's so pretty. You can't tell on camera. It's prettier in person, I swear. Oh, what a surprise. You like the most basic shade in here. We're all shocked. Oh man, my lips hurt. Usually I'm not a frost girl, but I don't hate this one. Extra stars, please. I love the packaging on this one the most. This packaging color is just so, oh, it's so good. This also looks amazing with this eye look. I'm ready for a Christmas party. It is only October, but oh well. I mean, who is she? I put actually black eyeshadow on my eyelids. Do you know how rare that is? This is a special occasion in and of itself. Black lipstick? What? What even was that? Okay. Sure. Cool. All right. Awesome. See you soon. All right. Okay. Happy holidays, even though it's October. Okay, bye.